Hi, my name is Pawan. I am from Unaparthi. Currently, I am staying in Punjagutta. I completed my B.TECH graduation in the year of 2023 in St. Engineering College with 7.0 CGPA in EC branch. And after completing my B.TECH graduation, I joined in the Jspiders Punjagutta in the month of June 2024. And after completion, I took the Java full stack course where I learned the many skills in Jspiders Punjagutta, Java by Kaushik sir and Vivek sir, and also SQL by Vaibhav sir, and Advanced Java by Ravi sir, and Web Technology by Geeta ma'am, and React.js by Shivanand sir. They taught me very well in all the subjects, and they clarified me all my doubts also. And I took the mock ratings. By using the mock ratings, they were added for the requirements. Mock ratings, mock interviews, and as well as grooming sessions were helpful to me to the crack the interviews. And also aptitude session by Yoshi ma'am. She also took very well in the aptitude session. That makes me boost for the first round of the all the companies. And they were help me. They don't lose me. They don't discourage me for any one of the after rejection of the some companies also. They are always encourage me for the all companies.